Hi, this is Susie. I just wanted to take a moment and show you how I prepare my new stamp sets that are photopolymer, which are the completely clear stamps. They come in a set like this. You always see the actual size images. If they're not actual size, it'll say so on the front, but these are actual size. And they come in the case. They all fit on this one little sheet here. It shows all of the images, and it has a backing sheet. So a lot of people will just leave it in this, and that's perfectly fine, but I like to attach them to my case. And the way I do that is I'll first take all of the stamps off. By the way, this is the Well Done stamp set. Super cute underwater scene. So I'm going to pull all these off and just set them aside. So then, keeping it so it's backwards, meaning that it'll be right side when you look from the back, but I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive. Honestly, you could do it on either side. I'm just going to put it, oops, I forgot one. I'm going to put it in the corners of the backing sheet with the image. Just a little adhesive. You can use glue dots for this, that works just as well. And then your case has a plastic sheet here that's attached, but only on the edges, so you can slide in. I'm going to take this and just slide it in here, anywhere. Okay, and then I'm just going to press so that it sticks. And then I go ahead and put my pieces right back over those images. And what is this? These are the little fish. The bubbles. You're a big deal. It's really easy to do because you can see through the case. Well done. Okay. And there's my turtle. And okay, so then the cover I put back on it, just keeps things from sticking to it. And close her up. And there you go. All my stamps are there. When you're ready to use it, just pull off the one you want, and you can stick it right back on the inside of the case. And it's a pretty nifty system. That's how I like to store my photopolymer stamp sets. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.